Good morning. I'm going to share with you in a nutshell, HCT2, sacred conception and birth. Day one, we are going to, on a cellular level, access the information we need to heal generationally the traumas that prevented our mothers and fathers from fully loving each other and holding a sacred space of love and welcoming to you as a child. Day one, we are going to be working with sacred conception, and we will understand the depths, how important it is for our mothers to be absolutely connected to us as an ovum and father to his own seed. This is a primary prerequisite for having a sacred union. It's called love. Once we have that field of love, we will be able to experience all the rites of passage and the incredible moments when we are absolutely connected to the quantum field. This is our birthright. This is sacred, and it's a deep memory inside of us that we can awaken. On day three, we are going to be connecting to the birth process. We are going to be holding a space where we are determining where we will be born, who will be there to receive us into life. And we will be able to be held by Mother, by her body consciousness, in full trust within ourselves and in her to be able to be received and welcomed into the world. The rites of passage, the sacredness, the connections are absolutely vital to being safe and whole and grounded in love in this world and to our souls. It's a great experience. Come join me. Thank you.